Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy.
Alright, good morning family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. We're out with Hillbilly. We're at the 15-yard line. We're trying rustic rimfire stretching it out challenge. So let's start out with a couple of siders up there on the rustic rimfire. Take 3 shots, see where we're hitting, and then we'll get started. All right. So, without adjusting my sights, I see 2 out of 3 right there and there. So we're hitting decently low. That's our goal. Let's see if we can't get 100x. 110x. That would be a maximum score. All right, family. 10 shots. Beautiful warm. Three. 4. 5. 6. I guess ideally you would do this off a rest. But you know, Papa, I'm not very likely to get on a rest, especially with my lever actions. There's number 8. I am using the top of the orange circle 9 as my aim point. There we go. 10 shots. Offhand. 15 yards. With old Hillbilly. Let's see how we did. Score it up. Alright, well we got at least a few 10s. Alright, so I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we got 1 8. Broke the line, so we got 4 9s. That leaves 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one of them actually broke the line for the X. So, 50 plus 36, 86 plus 8, so 94. 1X. I'd say that's not too bad for offhand. Again, I just use this as my aim point. There's a bit of breeze and it's blowing at me as I was shooting. But I'd say that's good enough, family. Papa ain't gonna complain about a 94 out of a possible 100 points. That's probably one of my best shootings. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. God bless. Take care. We'll catch you next time on Papa T Adventures.